How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. It's John. Y'all know me as Turning Wrenches 85 here. Hope everybody's having a good week so far. I'm gonna do some mail calls. No wrenching today for this guy. Unfortunately, I haven't been feeling good the last few days, so I haven't been out there doing much. I've been staying mostly indoors, and even though I'm working, I've just been catching up on videos and stuff here. But I got a couple stickers in the mail. Excuse me. If I'm coughing, I apologize. Like I said, it's this crud I can't shake yet, and it just and stuff. So anyway, I got a couple of stickers here. Um, I'll open well, one already opened already, and I already know what it is. Second one I haven't opened yet. Here first, we'll open up the first one here. Again, apologize. I'm coughing. Alright, first sticker is from across the pond. They're in the United Kingdom. He's Rob Small Engines. There, he's on Instagram and YouTube. I'll leave a link below in this description if you want to check him out. There, show him some love there, okay, folks? Let's get him up there. He's got a really good channel there, so check out Rob Small Engines. I'll put you up on my cabinet there, Rob. You sent me a couple stickers there. Appreciate it, buddy. Like I said, my throat's a little sore, so just going through dealing with it all. All right, next one. He's new to YouTube. His name is Alex. His YouTube is Freedom Mowers. He lives in actually next state over in North Carolina there. So he was telling me he's getting some stickers out there. So let's see what he sent me here. So here we go. He sent me a love letter in a way. So here's the stickers right here. He sent me 2 of them. If you guys haven't checked them out yet, I'll put the description down below. Check him out there. He's got some really good content going on there. He's got some stuff lined up there, so I highly suggest watching Freedom Mowers as well there on YouTube. Tell him that John from Turning Wrenches 85 sent him. Thank you, Alex, brother. Appreciate it. And your stickers will be going up on my cabinet as well. Excuse me. He wrote me a love letter. Okay. Hey, John. Hope you had a good holiday time and hopefully time with your son. Can't wait to see what's in store for this next year. I'm ready to see your channel grow and hit that 1K mark. Hope you enjoy the stickers, and I'll make sure to have yours up on my board. Take care. Freedom Mowers. Alex, appreciate it, brother. There, hopefully enough I'll get to that goal right there. That'd be nice. Right now we're sitting at 675 on my channel, and it's all thanks to you guys there. Like I said, we're a small engine community. Polar Bear had mentioned this on one of his videos before. When you guys hit that thumbs up and share the videos, you know, it gives like a recommend for all of our small engine channels we have going on there, and it helps everybody out. You know, we're all in this together. We're all one small engine nation. So I know I haven't put out much content, but you know, I try to do what I can possible or what I can do. Without further delay, let me go. I'm gonna go put these stickers up and on my cabinet, and then I'll show you guys the final results here, and then I'll bring you guys back when I'm done. Okay, I got the stickers up. there, Mr. Rob from Rob Small Engine Repair, and Alex from Freedom Mowers. There, added on to the cabinet, so starting to fill up pretty good. If you haven't checked out these channels yet, and oh, Bruce's sticker's coming off of there, almost. Anyway, if you guys haven't checked these channels out, I'll just pan through them all. I highly recommend checking them out. They got very good channels there. Roger Mowers, unfortunately, is just the guy that comments on our channel there, so he doesn't have a YouTube. So, like I said, alright, let me go bring you guys out of the shed, and we'll wrap this video up here. Alright, sorry it's a little short video, and sorry it's not a video for me, not wrenching on anything. Like I said, this crud, unfortunately where I live, the weather's been changing. It's been warm, it gets cold, it gets warm, it gets cold, and of course it messes with everybody, and of course it messes with me. I got some stuff to take for it, but it just hasn't taken its course yet, and it's just the cough that's really irritating me, and also making my throat sore as well. So there. My plan was originally to get working on a husky mower, if possible. We'll just see how I feel. I'm gonna get better first before I start working on it. There. Even though it's not bad today, it's just, you know, the coughing and stuff. It's not gonna make very good video, and it's probably not gonna make very good video of you guys watching this one there. But I just wanted to do a sticker shout out, and hope you guys had a good holiday and Christmas with your family and stuff. Hope everybody's well and safe. Happy New Year to everybody, because we're coming up on 2022, and hopefully enough it's a better New Year for everybody, and hopefully enough for me in general. I've had some stuff go on behind the scenes. Hopefully that's going to make me look into 2022, and hopefully not beyond, in a better year there. Just sending wishful thoughts for everybody your way. We'll get back wrenching on some of this stuff soon, because like I said, I got some projects that need to take care of before spring hits, because spring will be here before you know it, even though it looks like spring. I mean, look, half my grass already is starting to turn green again almost. It's getting there. But anyway, I'm gonna go in there, watch catch up on some of my watch later videos that it's been behind on, and stuff. So if you guys are new here, hit that like button, subscribe to me. Only social media I have that goes with my channel is my Instagram. Check me out on Instagram. Send me a follow on there. I'll follow you back. Check out some of my all the other channels there in our small engine community there. Got some good channels there as well. Some of them are on my featured channel list on my main channel page, so just check them out if you haven't already, or subscribe to them. So we'll be getting back to wrenching here soon. I'm gonna get myself better first before I start getting out here and messing with anything. So y'all take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.